I want to find out the solution of these two problems. The answer of this multiplication is 1, 2, 0, 91, and the answer of this problem is 3 and 16, so it is 981, 048. I have calculated the value of these problems with the help of Vedic mathematics. And believe me, you all can also solve many problems with the same speed with which I have solved these problems. This is Vedic mathematics. So, in many cases, Vedic mathematics comes to our help to find out the solutions at the lightning speed. Let us see how we can do it. Vedic mathematics says that if the numbers are near the base 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, then it is very easy to multiply those numbers. Suppose we want to multiply 114 and 106. These two numbers are near the base 100. This number is 14 more than the base 100 and this number is 6 more than the base 100. If you have calculated these numbers correctly, then you add up either these two, it is 120, or you add up these two, you are always going to get the same answer. So we can do either of the additions in this case. So Vedic mathematics says that take the addition of these two numbers. 106 plus 14 is 120. Now multiply these two, 14 and 6. 14, 6 are 84. So the multiplication of 114 and 106 is 12084. This number. Now let us do some examples to understand this concept thoroughly. Let us find out the value of the product of these numbers. All these numbers are near the base 100 and in all the three cases the numbers are bigger than the base. Now 102 is 2 more than the base. 104 is 4 more than the base. Whenever we want to find out the product of the numbers with the help of Vedic mathematics, we have to follow this rule. This rule says the number of digits on the right hand side must always be equal to number of zeros in the base, neither more nor less. Means here in this case our base is 100 and it has 2 zeros. So the right hand side of our answer must have exactly 2 digits, neither more than 2 digits nor less than 2 digits. So when we add up 104 and 2, we get 106. When we multiply 2 and 4, we get 8. 8 is a one digit number. As per this rule, we must have 2 digits over here. So we will make this 8 as 08. So our answer is 10608. Now come to this problem. 117 is 17 more than the base, and 104 is 4 more than the base. So when we add this up, it is 121, and when we multiply 17 by 4, it is 68. So the answer is 12168. And in this case, this is 12 more than the base, and this is 13 more than the base. On adding these, we get 125. It is 125. When we multiply 12 and 13, we get a 3-digit number. It is 156. As per rule, we can have only a 2-digit number over here. So this 156 will be written as 156. So when it is added, it is 12656. So the answer of the multiplication of 112 and 113 is 12656. This one. Now, when the numbers are greater than the base, we can find out the answer still faster. How? Suppose we want to multiply 115 and 106. In 100, add 15 and 6. When in 100 we add 15 and 6, we get 121. So this is 121. Now multiply again these two numbers, 15 and 6, it is 90. So the answer of 115 and 106 multiplication is 12190. Suppose we want to multiply 113 with 107. So in 100, as these two, it is 20. Multiply these two, it is 91. So the multiplication of 113 and 107 is 12091. If we want to multiply 109 with 111, in 100 add 9 and 11. 9 plus 11, it is 20. Now multiply 9 and 11, it is 99. So the answer of this product is 12099. Now here again the numbers are near the base 100, and there are 2 zeros in the base, and the second thing is all the numbers are smaller than the base. So 98 is 2 less than the base, 88 is 12 less than the base. So we are putting a minus sign over here. 88 plus minus 2. So 88 minus 2 means we are to deduct 2 from this 88, it is 86. When minus 2 is multiplied by minus 12, we get plus 24. So here we are going to write 24. So the multiplication of 98 and 88 is 8624. This is 23 less than the base. This is 3 less than the base. Now deduction of these two numbers, that is easier. 77 minus 3 is 74. Now multiply minus 23 with minus 3, we get plus 69. So multiplication of these two numbers is 7469. Here this is 2 less than the base, this is 1 less than the base. So when we deduct 1 from 98, we get 97. When we multiply minus 2 by minus 1, we get plus 2. But there are two zeros in the base. So this 2 will be made as 02. So here we are going to put 02. The answer of 98 and 99 multiplication is 9702. Now we have to find out the value of these products. Here the numbers are near the base 100, but here one of the numbers is bigger than the base while the other number is smaller than the base. Now let us see how to tackle such types of problems. 103 is 3 more than the base, so it is plus 03. 82 is 18 less than the base, so it is minus 18. Now we can do the addition on the either of these numbers, so this is easier. So 82 plus 3, it is 85. When we multiply plus 3 by minus 18, we get minus 54. So when we get a negative number on the right hand side, then put the number of zeros which are there in the base over here. In 100 there are two zeros, we have put these two zeros over here. Now deduct 54 from this number. Here we are going to apply the method of deduction which we have learned earlier, where a number is deducted from another number which is followed by all the zeros. So by deducting with that method, we can do the subtraction from the left hand side. So it will be 8, 4, 4 and 6. So our answer of multiplication of 103 and 82 is 8446. Now come to this problem. It is 12 more than the base. This is 6 less than the base. So this is easier. 112 minus 6, it is 106. Plus 12 when multiplied by minus 6, it is minus 72. So in case of a negative number on the right hand side, we have to put the number of zeros in the base over here. Here we have two zeros, so we have taken two zeros over here. Now we have to deduct 72 from this number and we get 1, 0, 5, 2 and 8. So the multiplication of these two numbers is 10528. Now let us solve these two problems. These problems have a base of 1000. These numbers are near the base 1000. So this is 14 more than the base. This is 8 more than the base. Add it up, it is 1022. Multiply these and we get 112. It is a 3-digit number and we require 3 digits over here because there are 3 zeros in the base. So 112 is put over here. So our answer is 1022112. Now come to this problem. This is again near the base 1000. So this is 13 less than the base. This is 4 less than the base. So this is easier and 983. So when minus 13 is multiplied by minus 4, we get plus 52. 52 is a 2-digit number, but we need 3 digits over here because we have 3 zeros in the base. So 52 will be made 052. So it is 052. So the answer of these two numbers is 983052. Now suppose we want to multiply 987 by 1015. So the numbers are near the base 1000. This is 13 less than the base. This is 15 more than the base. So when we deduct 13 from 1015, it is 1002. Now 13 is multiplied by 15, so it is 01, 15 and 3 and 5, it is 8. So it is 195. This 195 is of negative value, minus 195. So we have to put all the zeros over here and we have to deduct 195 from this number and we get 1 0 0 1 8 0 and 5. So the answer of multiplication of these two numbers is 1001805. When both the numbers are bigger than the base, then we can make the calculation in single line. How it is? In 1000 add 16 and 4. It is 20. 020. Now multiply these two numbers and it is 64. There are 3 zeros in the base, so on the right hand side we will have 3 digits. So it will be made 064. So 064. The product of these two numbers is 1020064. Now the numbers are near the base 10. So this is 2 more than the base, this is 7 more than the base, this is 19, and 2 when multiplied by 7 it will give us 14. This is a 2-digit number, but we can have only 1 digit over here because there is 1 0 in the base, so 14 will be written as 1 and 4. So when we add it, we get 4, 0 and 2. So the multiplication of 12 and 17 is 204. Now this is 3 more than the base, this is 1 less than the base, so this is 12. Now the product of 3 and minus 1 will give us minus 3. So we will put this 0 over here and we are going to deduct this 3 from 120 and we get 117. Now this method of calculation of multiplication with the help of Vedic math is going to help us to make our mental math a very strong tool. How? Let us see. We can find out the value of all these multiplications without opening our pen. How it is? This is in 100 when 12 and 7 is added 119. 119 and 12 multiplied by 7 84. 11984. In 100 11 is added 111. 6 is multiplied by 5 30. 11130. The answer of this is in 1000 12 and 6 is added means 1018. Now 12 is multiplied by 6 72. We will have 3 digits on the right hand side, So 72 will become 072. So we can find out the value of these numbers very easily without opening our pen. Now we can take the squares of all these numbers with the mental math. In 100 add 2, 102, multiply 1 by 1, 01. In 100 add 4, multiply 2 by 2, it is 04. In 100 add 6, multiply 3 by 3, it is 09. In 100 add 18, multiply 9 by 9, it is 81. In 100 add 24, 12 when multiplied by 12, it is 144. So it is a 3-digit number, so it will be 144. So 1 to 5, 44. In 100 add 17 and 17 means 134. Multiply 17 by 17, it is 298, 3-digit number. So 289 will be like this. So 13689. So we can find out the value of such numbers very easily without taking a pen.